First reading, Acts chapter 6 verse 8 to 15. And Stephen, full of grace and fortitude, did great wonders and signs among the people. Now there arose some of that which is called the synagogue of the Libertines, and of the Cyrenians, and of the Alexandrians, and of them that were of Cilicia and Asia, disputing with Stephen. And they were not able to resist the wisdom and the Spirit that spoke. Then they suborned men to say, they had heard him speak words of blasphemy against Moses and against God. And they stirred up the people, and the ancients, and the scribes, and running together, they took him, and brought him to the council. And they set up false witnesses, who said, This man ceaseth not to speak words against the holy place and the law. For we have heard him say, that this Jesus of Nazareth shall destroy this place, and shall change the traditions which Moses delivered unto us. And all that sat in the council, looking on him, saw his face as if it had been the face of an angel. Psalms chapter 119 verse 23 to 24, 26 to 27, 29 to 30. For princes sat, and spoke against me, but thy servant was employed in thy justifications. For thy testimonies are my meditation, and thy justifications my counsel. I have declared my ways, and thou hast heard me, teach me thy justifications. Make me to understand the way of thy justifications, and I shall be exercised in thy wondrous works. Remove from me the way of iniquity, and out of thy law have mercy on me. I have chosen the way of truth, thy judgments I have not forgotten. Gospel, John chapter 6 verse 22 to 29. The next day, the multitude that stood on the other side of the sea, saw that there was no other ship there but one, and that Jesus had not entered into the ship with his disciples, but that his disciples were gone away alone. But other ships came in from Tiberias, nigh unto the place where they had eaten the bread, the Lord giving thanks. When therefore the multitude saw that Jesus was not there, nor his disciples, they took shipping, and came to Capharnaum, seeking for Jesus. And when they had found him on the other side of the sea, they said to him, Rabbi, when camest thou hither? Jesus answered them, and said, Amen, amen I say to you, you seek me, not because you have seen miracles, but because you did eat of the loaves, and were filled. Labor not for the meat which perisheth, but for that which endureth unto life everlasting, which the Son of Man will give you. For him hath God, the Father, sealed. They said therefore unto him, What shall we do, that we may work the works of God? Jesus answered, and said to them, This is the work of God, that you believe in him whom he hath sent.